These are two Bard wall mount heat pumps, and I think only this one's running right now. Yeah, only this one's running. And I believe it is running in cool mode with a low ambient kit engaged. Got a Copeland scroll compressor. You can see the reversing valve and all the other guts inside there. And it just turned back on. And there's heat coming out of the top here. I think I might have actually seen one of these defrosting once. It's got R22 refrigerant, and I do not know when it was manufactured. This one is not on. It's pretty much the exact same unit. Don't know much about these, but I'd never filmed one before, and I saw this one was running, and I thought I'd film it. Why the low ambient kit is engaged, because it's not that cold out. I guess the head pressure must be really low. I don't know how old this unit is. Oh, that's funny. It was manufactured in 1914. Bard, it was established in 1914. And the house number of the manufacturing headquarters is 1914. Bard Manufacturing Company Incorporated, 1914 Randolph Drive, Bryan, Ohio. That's kind of funny. I wonder if that's a coincidence. I wonder if the founder was named Randolph Bard. Wouldn't be surprised. Here's the filter. So yeah, these are two Bard heat pumps. Fairly new, they're not that rough looking. Alright. Bard wall mount heat pumps, one of which is running in cool mode with a low ambient kit engaged. Which is strange because it's like 58, 60 degrees right now. But it is kind of windy, so there's a bit of a chill in the air, but it's still not that cold. Alright. Bard heat pump. Thank you for And I think it just shut off. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.